Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I've got a lovely property to show you today. It is a stylish 3-bedroom semi-detached family home located within walking distance of Salford Royal Hospital. Benefits from a new roof back in 2022, and you'll note as we go throughout the property it is to a lovely standard, stylishly decorated throughout. As we enter, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway. On your left opens up, it's this nice lounge. And towards the rear we have this stunning kitchen diner space, which is immaculate as you can see. Done to a really nice standard. That benefits from patio doors leading on out. It's a really good sized garden to the rear. Benefits from later lawn grass, decking. Also around the corner benefits from brick built outbuildings for storage as well. Property is ideal for families. Like I say, it provides an abundance of space and is within easy access of Light Oaks Primary School, along with several well-kept parks as well. Property also benefits from being within easy access of transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre. As we head upstairs, on your first right we have this lovely contemporary 3-piece bathroom. Straight over we have 3rd bedroom, which as you can see is a good size. Then we have the main bedroom just through here, which is a large double, and the 2nd bedroom as well. Again, a really good size double. Properties in this location and this condition do not stay on the market for long. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.